The sky, it's turning red. Breaking news! Monsters have taken over space!
What? Oh, no!
They're coming!
What do we do?
I have to pack everything and go. Be careful, Rumi. The cosmos awaits.
Oh no! I have to hurry. Meow. Meow. Cutie. Not now. Bro.
I promise, when I come back, we'll play for hours and hours, okay?
Meow.
Well, well, well. Where exactly are you rushing to in such a hurry? I trust you're prepared to stop for me?
Who even are you? It's none of your business where I'm going.
Okay. But if you're gonna deal with the monsters alone, I really feel sorry for you.
I'll decide for myself what to do.
I only wanted to warn you. It's just a shame when such beautiful girls die for no reason.
Hello, Rumi! Are you going somewhere? Or maybe...
What do you want? I'm not afraid of you.
Or maybe... are you looking for this? Your little kitten will make a...
You're standing in my way now. You will regret it. Hear my song and tremble. I rise like the night with fire in my eyes. My shadows call to claim what's mine. Shadow falls, but I won't run. The fight is on. Watch me become the one. I rise tonight, a warrior song in neon's glare. I'm strong, I belong. No turn.
Meow.
Not again!
Meow. Meow.
You look lost, little one.
I lost everything. Maybe now, you'll listen to me?
We are home, my servants. The cat belongs to us now for the ritual.
What is this cute little creature we have here? I would love to play with it.
Okay, cutie. Now we're gonna play. What in the blazes is happening here? Who are you? What's going on? Tell me now. You still think you can defeat us? Doesn't that sound ridiculous even to you? Calm down.
If you touch her, you will have to deal with me.